Hey everyone, it's Brittany here from Creative Canyon, and today I'm excited to give you a little sneak peek of my new Little Scientist Colors unit. If you're a teacher, homeschool parent, or daycare provider, you're going to love this resource. It's easy to use, ready to go, and requires minimal prep, which saves you so much time without sacrificing fun and hands-on learning. Now let me show you some of the games that are included in this unit. First, we have the Rainbow Tower, where students can use these snap cubes to build in rainbow order or use patterns. We have the color puzzle next, which you can print out, laminate, and cut. You can either use as is, add to magnetiles like I did, or use Velcro dots on the back. We have our Play-Doh mixing, where you can use two colors to mix and create a new color. We have our color drops, where you can use colored water to mix. I like to use either paint trays or ice cube trays. We have pattern blocks, where students can make different types of unique pictures and then count how many colors they used for each one. And we have color bears, where they can practice their sorting skills into the different colored cups. For each activity, it comes with a task card. It includes instructions for the teachers, a big picture for the students who don't read, as well as discussion questions on the back that teachers can ask the students to deepen their thinking. Here is an example of what I would add to my writing center. I have these cute printable journal pages that kids can fill out to draw pictures, write words on. I have tracing cards as well that you can print and laminate. You can use dry erase markers on these so they can practice writing, letters, as well as integrating this with the colors unit. Let me show you what's inside. I have a blank teacher planner with a planning web to help you kind of pick and choose what things you want to do throughout the month. Every unit has 4 subunits. I have a whole page of discussion questions to help kind of that critical thinking learning with your kids. Every subunit has a lesson plan fully written out for you. So the first one is color recognition, comes with a song as well. Then we have color mixing, colors in the classroom, and colors in the world. Included is also a call and response poem, which is great for phonological awareness. I have 5 games written out as well. Art project ideas, experiment ideas, there's just so much. Included in the unit is a printable book that you can print out, read aloud to your class, or just add to your literacy center or science center for the kids to look at as well. This is how I keep my unit organized. I have just a project folder with a clear front that keeps all of my lesson plans, ideas, songs, games, and things that I want to reference often. I usually keep a plastic folder like this, which keeps all of my posters, my flashcards, my task cards, any extras that I accidentally printed off, anything that I need to pull out for the unit, I keep in here. If I have a ton of toys, I usually keep them in a cardboard box, banker box, something like that to keep them. But for this unit, this works well for me. Also included in the packet are printable pieces to make your own anchor chart with your students. You can make it ahead of time, display it in your classroom, or you can make it together for the first lesson that I have. If you're looking for a fun educational way to teach your young kids about colors, the Little Scientist Colors unit is available now in my Teachers Pay Teachers store. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more easy, ready-to-go ideas for your classroom or homeschool.